Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have a new makeup product review for you guys from the drugstore, and that is the new Wet n Wild Mega Glow Lip and Cheek color. I'm super excited to be reviewing this product with you guys because it is from one of my favorite brands, Wet n Wild from the drugstore. They're super affordable and they have such great products, you guys. So I have the shade Berry True. So if you guys are interested in seeing me demo this product, share my honest thoughts with you guys, and if you're interested in knowing how I created this beautiful soft glam makeup look, then make sure to keep on watching. Now before we jump into the video, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Alright you guys, we're gonna get started with skin prep. The first thing I'm gonna do is moisturize. For moisturizer, I'm going in with the Skin Proud Sorbet Skin. I've really been liking this moisturizer. It's super lightweight and watery, and I just love the consistency. Going in with another Skin Proud product. This is their Icicle Cooling Eye Serum Stick. I really like putting this stuff under my eyes, and then I'll just blend it out. Next up, we are priming with my favorite primer. This is the Milk Hydro Grip. I like to apply this on my T-zone, but I will also spread it out onto the rest of my face. Lastly, for some extra hydration, I'm going in with my Milk Face Mist. This is the Grip Set and Refresh Spray. Next up, I'm going to color correct. I'm going in with my Charlotte Tilbury color corrector, and I'm just gonna add this onto areas where I have hyperpigmentation and acne scarring. All right, color correcting is done. Next up, I wanna go in with my base product for the day, and I'll be using the new Wet n Wild Bare Focus Niacinamide Skin Tint. I've honestly been loving this product, you guys. I did recently review it, so if you guys want to check out that video, I'll have it linked up here and also down below in the description box for you guys. But this has become my new holy grail for my makeup routine. Skin tint is on, and I'm absolutely loving the glowy base. I really love this new Wet n Wild skin tint, you guys. I think it's absolutely gorgeous, and it wears really well throughout the day, so I'm really impressed. Next up, I want to contour, and I'll be going in with the Huda Beauty Tantour. I'm also going to add some contour to my nose, and it's okay if it's not perfect because we will kind of carve it out with concealer afterwards. So right now I'm just adding the shadow to the nose. Alright you guys, I'm super excited to be jumping into the product that we'll be reviewing today, and that is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Lip Cheek color. I'm super excited to be trying this shade out because it looks very different from what I own and what I typically try, and this is the shade Berry True. Super cool packaging, you guys. It basically looks like a liquid lipstick, so I'm excited to eventually try it on my lips, but we're gonna start off by putting this product on the cheeks. This is such an intimidating color, so I don't know how much to put. I think we'll start with a little bit, and I'm gonna take the back of my beauty sponge and I'm gonna start blending this out. Oh wow, okay, that's really pretty. And I like how easily that's blending out. Okay, once it's blended out, it doesn't look so intense. This is kind of reminding me of the e.l.f. Camo blushes, where it's like super high pigment, but once you start blending it out, it's not too intense. I really like how easily it's kind of blending into the skin. I want to go in with my finger and kind of add an even layer of this product and then blend it out and see if that makes a cleaner application, just because where I'm adding the product on my cheek, I feel like it's getting a little bit patchy, so I want to see if this method makes it more of a clean application. Oh yeah, this is a lot better. I'm actually just gonna take a little bit more on this side just to get rid of the patchiness. So I think the trick is add an even layer of the product and then blend it out. Oh yeah, that looks great. I'm gonna add a little bit on the nose, and then whatever excess product is on this sponge, I will also add on the chin. I know the blush looks really crazy, but if you guys watch my videos, you know this is how I apply cream blush, and then I clean everything up with concealer. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm grabbing my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. I'm gonna just blend out the concealer and then we'll set everything in place with some setting powder. I'm also just gonna take whatever concealer is on my sponge to clean up the cheeks. And you guys can see instantly the blush doesn't look so crazy anymore. So this is just my trick when it comes to applying cream blushes. And of course, using the concealer on the nose to do a reverse nose contour and setting the concealer with the Huda Beauty setting powder. I'm also gonna set around the mouth, and I'm also gonna use setting powder to carve out the cheeks a little bit more. I let the setting powder sit for about a minute. Now I'm gonna take my brush and I'm gonna wipe away the setting powder. And with whatever excess product I have, I'm just gonna set my lids, and I'm also just gonna set the cheeks. Wow, I am so here for this blush, you guys. I think it's absolutely beautiful. And this color was super intimidating at first, but I love how it looks on the face. You can see it's definitely not this deep. For the price and the size of the product, I feel like this is definitely a steal. I mean, I love how my cheeks look, and the quality of this product honestly it feels high-end. This retails for $5.99 USD, and that's about like $8 Canadian, so a really good deal, you guys. Definitely try this out. I want to finish off the base with some highlight, and I'm going in with my Ace Beauty Glow Essentials palette. This is the highlight shade called Glowing, and I'm just going to finish off the base. Oh my god, I love that. I love this highlight palette. This is so nice. Add some on the Cupid's bow and of course the nose. I like to put some on the tip as well as the bridge. I'm gonna quickly fill in my brows with the Benefit Gimme Brow, and I'm in the shade 4. This is my favorite brow product just because of how quick and efficient it is. All you have to do is brush through your brows with this and you have your brows on in literally seconds. Next up, I want to wrap up the eyes, and I want to keep it really clean and simple. I just want to go in with some mascara, and I'll be going in with the Huda Beauty One Coat Wow. Eyes are done and I'm loving how my eyes are looking. So originally I didn't love this mascara, you guys, just because it can borderline look a little bit clumpy and it's not really a clean finish look, but I'm starting to like it because I'm noticing that you just need a little bit of product. The moment you go in with too much product, it starts to look clumpy. So I think I found a way to make this product work. Regardless, I bought this product and I don't like wasting, so I'm definitely going to be working through it and finishing it instead of just leaving it around. So yeah, you'll be seeing this in a lot of tutorials. The very last thing we have to do is my lips, and I'm excited to try this product on the lips. So the first thing I'm going to do is line my lips, and I have here the Wet n Wild Color Icon lip liner in Chestnut. Time to go in with this product on the lips. Here is the product on the lips, and I really like the color. I find on the lips it's definitely more of like a berry tone, whereas on the cheeks I did blend it out to make it look more softer, but these two paired together look so good. This feels very comfortable on the lips. You guys can see there is like a subtle shine to the lips, and I really like the tint as well. In terms of pigment, I would say on the lips it does have like a semi-sheer finish. I feel like it won't last throughout the day, so this is definitely a product that you're gonna have to keep on reapplying, but it does feel really comfortable, and honestly I don't mind it, so I think it's really pretty. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for today's makeup product review on the new Wet n Wild Mega Glow Lip and Cheek color. Overall, I would have to say that I really like this product, you guys. I have been loving cream blushes, and you guys know me, I love lip products and lipsticks, so finding a product that does both is definitely a win. I think this product performs really well on the face as well as the lips, and I love how it's like a 2-in-1 product. The price point is also amazing. $5.99 USD or around $8 Canadian is such a win for a product that can do two things. Definitely try this product out and let me know your thoughts. I think I'm gonna try and get my hands on more shades because I really like this product. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And you guys, that is pretty much it. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.